Ladies and gentlemen, today I present you Mercedes-Benz GLC 4MATIC with EQ technology. So this is an electric SUV which has a power of 490 PS. So it comes with an 94 kilowatt hour battery and it has a range of around 637. So this is a very electrifying SUV. So you can see the front, it's has got all illuminated LED, complete green, closed green with illuminates. So I don't know if this is going to impact the battery power, but this looks amazing. This is really a great look, and also comes with a headlight which has a unique DRL, so which represents the Mercedes logo. So please check that this logo is going to be common in complete SUV. So it has got very futuristic, very beautiful design. So the hood also looks very chunky and very bold. Let me know in comments how you like the look of this car. For me, it's looking very amazing. The color is also very good. On the side you get a big footrest, which is going from front to rear. Then you also get IRVM with a light, and then you also get 360-degree camera, which has in fact two cameras here. It has got a gripping door handle which comes out automatically as you come nearer to it. So the design is also very good. It has got chrome finish and it also comes with a keyless entry. The wheelbase of the vehicle is 2968 millimeter, which is 80 millimeter longer than the internal combustion engine version, which means more legroom for the rear passengers. This SUV is built on MBEA platform and it has got airmatic air suspension which is taken from the S-Class limousine. But this will be a part of comfort package, not a regular one. And this will also include all-wheel steering with a 4.5-degree steering angle. This platform uses 800 volt technology, which means it has a charging capacity of 320 kilowatt, which means in just 10 minutes it can go up to 260 kilometer of driving. So on the rear it has got this black band like a goggles where your LED lights are placed. So the LED lights, you also get the same logo treatment and also has the Mercedes logo. So this is how the overall car looks like. So you get wiper, you get big Mercedes logo, then you also get defogger as well as the rear lights. However, I did not find any shark fin antenna. The overall width of the vehicle is 1938 millimeter. On the below you find a diffuser and the lower area of the bumper is blacked out. So I will just try to open it. So I cannot find the button. Maybe it's somewhere else. Just check. Okay. Okay, so I forgot it's same like the VW. So in the inside you get a big boot space. To fold your seats you have all these electric controls. So you can also do it from rear as well as some hooks to keep your things along with this flexible parcel tray. Boot space you get here is 570 liters, which is 30 liters less than the combustion engine version. But if you fold the seat it will be 740 liters, which is 100-liter more than the normal GLCs. And you also get a segment biggest frunk, which is 128 liters. Tailgate also comes with an electric powered, so you can electrically control it. This is how the side of the vehicle looks like if you want to see it from rear. It has got this welcoming door handles which has the chrome finish, and again it has got the keyless entry as well. The overall length of the vehicle is 4.8 meters, and this platform has a bigger battery pack which is 93 kilowatt. And to accommodate that, the wheelbase has been increased by 80 millimeter, which is 2968 millimeter, and which also means the rear passenger will get more legroom. So the interior is black as well as beige finish, so like white, and the quality of everything is very top notch. So there is a leather finish, soft finish, all the touch. Also these switches are also very high quality. So you can feel the quality of a Mercedes here. Everything is looking very fantastic, very futuristic, and you also get a heating in the rear seat. So now let's just hop in. Okay, so there is also very beautiful designed for the rear speakers, and this is how the interior looks like from the rear. This is a dual color interior, and surprisingly all the human touch points are in white and rest everything is in black, which means it will make the interior look a bit dirty. The floor is completely flat, which means you can easily accommodate 3 people at a time. The finish and quality of the leather is very good, and stitching are everything is a very nice quality. Let me just check the how is the armrest. So you get a leather strap to pull your armrest out, and then you get, okay, I think this is stuck, maybe it comes little bit more out, but here you get a mobile holder. You do not get a cup holder unless I did not find it. Then you also get a isofix points here. Let me just get in. So the front seat are looking very nice. Also this moonroof, they have get the same treatment of this logos, small logos which look like star. And this moonroof is completely frosted. You can also you also get a reading light which is controlled, like you can control the brightness. And yeah, this is overall cabin from inside. And you also get an ambient light, small ambient light on your door handles. um, then your side support is good. You get a small extension in the thigh support, and then you also get a lot of headroom. In fact, it also has a moonroof, still you get a lot of headroom there. Then the quality of the seats are obviously it's very nice, it's a top Mercedes quality. Then you get this rear AC vents, and which has a finish of this chrome which is looking very nice. And you have some space to keep some things. The legroom is also very nice. The front seat are sporty, which definitely enhances the interior look. This is the front look of dashboard if you see it from the behind. It has got MBUX Hyper Screen, which is a massive screen which covers the entire dashboard system. Below the dashboard, you will also get two AC vents, which is beautifully designed and looks like a jewelry. And by the way, it also acts like an ambient light. Below that, you will find two slots for your induction charger, and then two cup holders and a beautifully finished armrest, as well as the center console. Below the center console, you will also find a place where you can keep your things, which has two USB slots as well. On the top, you also get a heads-up display as well as your speaker system. In the middle, you will find a camera, which is used as a safety feature. It is used to give warning when the driver is in fatigue, and also to check the number of passengers sitting in the vehicle for seatbelt alarm. Then you have IRVM, which is electronically controlled. Then you also have this interior body lights, which is in yellow in color, which could be white. Interior of the vehicle will come in multiple options. You will also get color options. Here you get a white color. You will also an option of tan finish. It will have all the latest features which is also featured in S class. As well as you get the steering wheel is a 5-spoke steering wheel with all the necessary controls of adaptive cruise control, as well as the infotainment system. Gear controls, wipers, as well as headlight controls can be found on the steering wheel. Front seats are sporty and are 10-way electronically controlled with memory function. It also has seat ventilation, seat heating, as well as massage system. So this GLC is a 4MATIC, which means it is 4-wheel drive. It comes with a power of 489 PS with a torque of 800 Newton meter. It can go a range of 637 kilometers. It can go 0 to 100 in 4.3, and it has a battery capacity of 94 kilowatt hour. Let me know in comments if you want more information about this vehicle. I will meet you in another video with a new vehicle. Till then, take care. Bye bye.